Falling on your feet, do you finally see what you're missing?
This is the second part. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to continue with the haul that I have presenting you in the first part of the program, and this is the haul that I accumulated during vacation, including for my birthday. So I will continue with two makeup things that I purchased from Tenerife. So I have the Dior Forever Concealer in the shade 1.5, and I also got the Synchro Skin Radiant Lifting Foundation with SPF 30 from Shiseido, and this is the packaging that came in. I also tested, I have it on today. You are going to watch the video to see my feedback about those two products and about the makeup that I shared with you. At the end of the vacation, I got a leather bag from the brand called Valentina. It's an Italian brand. You cannot find it online. You see that it has here the label, and here is a Valentina. This is the name. I could only see this brand in perfumeries in Tenerife. They are called Fund Grube. I will pop the name here. They also have online store if you want to purchase, but unfortunately you cannot purchase those from the shop, so I bought them directly from the store. And it's coming with a zipper pocket on the back. I love this kind of packets, they are very handy. Actually, I wanted first another bag and then I went for this one. This was 95 euros, very good price for a leather bag. I have my backpack that I got from Milano, not from Milano, from Venice, many years ago. It's also from Pebble leather. It's a crossbody bag. You have this thingy here, and inside you have three compartments. You have the main one that it's a zipper packet, so you can keep more important stuff, and also you can have your documents here on this inner zipper. And this larger one, it's plain. Don't know if my mobile will... yeah, it fits here. Okay, so I can keep my mobile here. I'm happy this is going to be one of my everyday bags. And talking about bags, I didn't buy this from Tenerife. This was a present for my birthday from my husband. Actually, I bought it and he paid for it. This is if the logo doesn't tell you anything, Michale KORS bag. This is also leather bag. It's very difficult to find leather bags from Michale KORS or even Guess. I wanted to buy a bag from Guess, but after I've seen they are not from leather, I said they are not for me. And this is wonderful. Just one thing is missing. I know, so I'm not like to say surprised that it doesn't have. It's missing a back pocket. I wanted to have this especially for travel, when I travel through the airport and so on, because it's very big. Not very big, but it's big. This is a tote bag and you can fit a lot of stuff inside. But a zipper pocket outside could have been useful for the phone. You also have few pockets here, but they are not so handy. They are not very big and they are uncomfortable to use. You cannot store very big things, and I don't want to break the shape. And it has 4 legs to keep the shape, and here on the zipper is written Michale KORS on either side. Inside it has a very large pocket. It's very well padded, and 2 side pockets for phone and other stuff. I can also put a lipstick there, but other than that I definitely need an organizer or smaller organizers for the next trip, because I tend to lose smaller stuff inside. And the size is adjustable, so you can put it a little bit up if you want to have it more longer or shorter, but for me this size is perfect. I want to show you a few things that I purchased from Temu. I think I have this year at least 3 hauls. I have 3 hauls on Temu, but I'm not going to spend the time to show you everything I got. One thing that I got and I love it, actually it's on my desk. I have this mirror. The mirror is called Fold Away. This is the outer packaging. Unfortunately, it doesn't have battery, so you have to have it connected to a source of power. It connects through USB, so it has the normal size and like X or so, and it can be smaller like this, so you can even travel with this one if you want so. But another thing that I purchased from Temu, and I'm very excited, I got it with me on vacation. This is a makeup travel case. It's pink, very inexpensive. The same like the mirror, very, very inexpensive. Open it. Here you have some space to store little piece of makeup, or also you can put jewelry here. I think it's more convenient for jewelry. You can charge it. This time the charger, it has a battery, so you can have it charged. And here you have the mirror. I use this to do my makeup. This is my camera. Different colors for light, 3. And then you store it. And it's very compact, good for travel. Very happy about this purchase from Temu. Ah, yeah, I wanted to show you this makeup bag that I got it with this vacation in plan, but unfortunately when you fill it up, it's not able to close. Or at least the way that I put makeup on. I don't know why I look so dark. It's very sunny outside. It closes like so, and it should look like this. But I didn't find it so practical in the way that I was thinking it would be. This is a belt. It comes like this, and it will hold your pants, but you don't have to open it and close it every time. And now for the last part of the haul, I want to show you the TRENDMOOD box. I believe this is the volume 26, if I'm not wrong. And I ordered this before going on Tenerife on vacation, and it came before I arrived. So I got it a few days ago. I just opened it to smell something, because spoiler, there is a perfume there. So if you don't know anything about TRENDMOOD, this is a one-time first come, first served box. It is created by a very successful lady that owns the TRENDMOOD account on Instagram, and also she had now the TRENDMOOD box account, and over there you can see spoilers of everything included, so this is not a surprise box. This I believe was $60. Usually they are up to $45, but this has a better or higher value inside. And they also ship internationally, overseas, and I got mine like in 2 weeks or so. And this is what is inside. 2 products have caught my eyes and made me purchase it. First of them, it's a perfume. This is the Maison Louis Marie number 14 Ici là. And it's even mentioning that it has the top notes. But first let me show you the packaging. It's so nice. And this is a 50 ml eau de perfume that looks like so. It's so beautiful. And this is very similar to me with the Chanel. Oh guys, now I've seen that my mic was not plugged in the camera, so I'm sorry that for the first part of this haul, or who knows for how much or how long, I didn't have a very good sound. This reminds me awfully the notes inside of Coco Mademoiselle from Chanel. I think they are quite similar. The next thing that I have in the box is this vacation brand broad spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen. I'm not going to open it because I'm probably not going to use this year. This is for the body. You can also use it for the face, but I'm going to use it next year. I have a Kat Von D tattoo liner. This is the new formula. I'm going to try it in an upcoming video together with this Gwen Stefani, my first Gwen Stefani lipstick. I'm still here, lightweight long wear matte liquid lipstick in the shade Original Recipe. I'm not wearing so much this kind of shades. 2 fat lip oils, Chilling Like a Villain and Sprinkle. So those are the shades. Another product from NYX is this glue for your brows, the brow glue. It's even called like so. This is the Undefined Beauty R&R Gel Cream Moisturizer. This is infused with peptides to protect skin barrier, ceramides, shiitake, tremella and niacinamide, prickle pear, hyaluronic acid, shea butter. And you have 1 fluid ounce. The last product that has made me purchase this box was the Natasha Denona Xenon eyeshadow palette. I believe this palette was launched last year, and look at the outer packaging, it's so gorgeous. I'm going to do a dedicated video with this eyeshadow palette. You can see it now. Hey guys, I'm back because I forgot to show you a few things that I purchased from Tenerife. There are a few skincare products that I just completely forgot about them because I don't want to make this video extra super long. I will just show them in a separate view, but basically I got some local skincare from there, and I also found a few body shop products. And you know, if you have been watching some of my previous videos, that I wasn't happy when I discovered that I can no longer purchase body shop here in my place, in my region. So I was happy to found a few favorites of mine from the body shop company. So I have a few hair care products that I bought from Tenerife, body care, skincare, and of course some of my favorites from the body shop that are not local, they are from the body shop. Alright, now in the end of the video, meanwhile between recording the first part of the video, upon editing, I have purchased 2 more bags. No, God! Please let me know also if you want me to do a dedicated review. I showed you the tote bag from KORS, and then of course Facebook, what it does. After discover that you have bought several something, they are starting to throw you commercial advertising about the same. So I got information that KORS has sales. The tote bag, the black bag that I just showed you, I purchased it from a local site here in Czech Republic, but the bag that I'm going to show you, I bought it directly from the KORS website. I have taken it out from the original packaging, and I think I haven't recorded that, unfortunately. But why I bought this is because, first, it's very convenient and easy to use, and second, I will show you what I have in plan with this. And also it came with the cardboard here and some filling inside. I have removed most of the paperwork from this KORS, and this is what she looks like. She's coming with a strap that is adjustable, and you can tell here is written KORS. This is the small leather bag. On the back side it has an exterior pocket that it's loose, so you don't have any close-up method. Here we have the logo KORS, and inside you have one main compartment that is secured with a zipper and 2 side pockets. I think this bag is very good for on the go, outside during evening, or if you are on vacation and you want to carry with you all the essentials, especially because the main compartment has a lot of storage for credit card, for bank notes, and including you can store here your mobile. My iPhone 14 fits perfectly and is still some room. I found here a leaflet, handbag and small goods. Your handbag is made of beautiful leather or suede, tanned in traditional methods in order to maintain its natural beauty and soft feel. Of course that I bought it because I love the design, I love the color and the shape, but also because this strap is removable. What was my plan when I purchased this beautiful little bag that was on sale, by the way, 50% or so, if I'm not wrong? It was that during vacation, when I have my bigger Michael Kors tote bag, I can put this inside and have all my essentials all together, because as I mentioned when I showed you this bag, I love it so much, but I needed an organizer. So it has a lot of room inside, and now I'm going to have an organizer with all my essentials inside, and I can reach them right away. And it looks really nice. I don't know if you can tell. So yeah, this is the first bag that I purchased, and the second one that I just bought it and received it this week. You might have seen already because I did an Instagram post and many of you like it. I got my first Guess bag, and this is the dust bag that it came with. This is the Adele mini leather bag that is also coming with a long strap if you want to wear it crossbody. I have not even removed the inside packaging, the label and the protection for handles. So this is the inside paper that it came with. I may keep it and store it when I don't use the bag. So now this bag is also empty shell, to say that. It's coming with a zipper, dual-ended zipper, so you can zip it up here, and two handles. You can carry it like so, or you can do the strap. The color is really pretty. I also love the size that is not very big, not very small, so I can fit a lot of things inside, including my Michael Kors. It's not a bad idea actually. And it only has two side pockets. You have one loose and one with zipper where you can keep your ID, passport and so on. No, you have three. Sorry, you have this one and the other one, it is on the other two are on the side. So yeah, I'm looking forward to see what you think about all those purchases. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already, and I'm going to see you really soon with another video. And don't forget to watch the first part that is somewhere here on the screen, and also I will put it on the description box of the video. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.